This is so... So I started my day making to-do lists and sorting out something. A visit to the venue for sound check.
Fans biết năng như thầu thải tôi cảm chứ.
Welcome, we are here on the venue. I guess we're too early or the people are late. I came with my brother and well, we are waiting for the people. We are trying out our selfie stick. Actually, we got new selfie stick. We clicked some videos and photos. Not the best though. Before the program starts, I did some interaction with the artists. I forgot to film. I just got this one because I am still a noobs YouTuber. And this is me telling the artist that my friends are coming for him all the way from our native place to support him. The stage are ready, the lighting are ready, the music are ready, the sound system are ready, everything is ready except the audience.
Welcome to the Soundscape Love is Now.
This is Kuzuri, our first performer for the night. I couldn't keep the music on due to many copyright issues.
Azul ni na bam kam jong thai project da ni megoi na support join na silau ko ka jong Instagram ID ni megoi na good na check silau na follow silau ko jong the audience ko ba sala ni jong thai kuma ani ukang rising artist khali ga artist azul jong da na bam me hai ta ta ga ma kho asai ani wen ngai na swan da na bam ki la than kha na thala ni organizer da da ma mi jong program ta ga na to ni dai đầu tiên là tao đã chơi thế gần sáng hôm tuần nu ấy đi thảo mê gần sáng nu ấy đi sáng mê cũng mấy cái ai thảo làm gì organizer chắc chắn là planning là execute long mê hay như trong platform hay các cái gì như tất cả chuyện ngâm đi làm gì có thể giao ra nhiều hàng behind the scene họ bán là đâu mà như trong event management team là cái việc là introductions là mấy cái quầy là họ có như trong thế English rồi là mà bảo là như thế and you took event organizers and hide the PRM to a persistent, responsible motivator. The PRM Group is a conglomeration of young entrepreneurs venturing into professions of event management, professionalism, and with high aspiration. Their group aims to create and provide platform for the development of Tamenglong district, namely, create platform for the young and talented artists, provide stage for the young entrepreneurs, promote local crops and products, promote tourism in our district, among others. It is worth mentioning that their groups has conducted a 2022 mega concert event and the one called musical concert at UBS complex. Special open mic evening at I Love Tamenglong location and the advanced Christmas fireworks show at Jadonang Park successfully, where young and talented artists have the opportunities to showcase their musical skills and make an earning. We have also managed the event of the recently concluded Tamenglong District Skill Mela 2023 and also the legal awareness campaign in collaboration with Sri Akinsin Galmai MP nominees and social workers. Hay nhiều event organizing team thế cái nhiều là organize the train so long as our go my jong level how new concert attend tàu the bom jong tay YouTube call ram get Spotify kan ranking abom call live performance king tàu the bom mi high kan new party hai zang roi kan new hai event management team ni an new kai kun call an new society call an new program partner tàu go by recent dui nai gung khons ni ka siam ko roi la me ma ti na program as you cancel so bom na ye ko mai khang tai lung gai de bom ko ma khe new organizing team the PRM to my pang ji hai and you regalo for net thai and you ning mak my pang thang kan you don't talent kan dedication ka zao na dan chui na da lop nei jong dai public ha gong lang na bam gai me goi na kha ko ma sa lo nim jong the looking li hak me za di he ko ma and you come up next we have a surprise artist Frozy Boy surprise artist na bam the you kha all the way from Infal let me have the honor to introduce our surprise artist, Mr. Malem. He is a singer and songwriter from Infal. Tomorrow, please give it up for Malem.
What's coming home? Having fun? Okay, so.
For more than 2 million views on YouTube. Tawan Micha featuring Brando Kumar, a lovely producer based in Infal, has also sprinkled as a split, lullaby and become music to all the ears due to its soft guitar tune and avoiding writing that added like a cherry on guitar. His eccentric yet cheesy way of composing and writing songs had won huge number of hearts of the people from all over the place in short span of time. Look forward to make song for the people and for his love of his art, Nasona. His latest duet project with the producer Lanchenba Laisham also crossed 1 million views in just 2 weeks and set to be his huge hit after his song Anisuna. John Ningthou Temai Ronda Kalanda Akiri. Please give it up for John Ningthou!
You're awesome, man. Let's get it! Thank you guys so much. So, what song do you guys listen to? Okay. I heard a lot of cover, by the way. Thank you so much. Okay. So you guys love sad songs more than love songs? Damn, bro. That's amazing. Thank you so much, by the way, guys. Thank you so much for having me, guys. PRM, guys. Shout out to PRM. Can I have a round of applause for PRM, guys, by the way, guys? You guys have done so much for me. And shout out to my boy Gongame right out there. Thank you so much, Gongame, for having me and my friends in your place. And thank you guys so much. You guys are wonderful, man. Sing some songs. So we're gonna start by. All right. I have this song called National. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with, but Satya, play the trick, bro.
Rhythms are the spending on girls and shoes. Alright, let's play it. Can I get my guitar monitor over here, please? A little bit? Oh. Alright, that's awesome. I took a pill in a breeze. Sure, I've reached you out, it's cool. When I finally got sober, found 10 years sober, but fuck you, was that? Long story short, the song goes like. again. Otaro nambu tachara vinoja. Otaro nambu tamu.
Industries of my pulp in a bundle play. How many lovebirds out here? Oh! Out of love or in love. Katulong way na katay. Siya many tang many azuma in a play. Ano yung gugway rin? Japanese is hapang nga na kamay. Kakani si kakantri na magkamit na kamay rin na. Kakuan ka ay hawas wala na kamay. Ano yung wearing kwa na kamay? May gugway na matiwag ka.
Hello, alam ko po mga pangay-gay. Parang lagi ni. Pinatun ko ay ang itong kamong. Gay kami itong. Manila tayo. Kaya may artist kami. Manipur ko pa ko may. Kami itong artist. Kasan tak kami asuk buhay at kawang na. Kung kami itong opportunity gay, may kaya na ba may. Anong pang kuwan na na. Big Home may, Machi Home Cup may. At hindi kong gawang nabang punta, ang nadain na tuntuloy. The PRM Group ta, tuntuloy may daw na.
Bakit ka tayo ng kaunina? Không khuya bật đi, ai đừng sẽ ngay ta. Hắt xin giấc yên, mắt mây không được mơ. Sẽ mây em đã rất giàu nở ban đi. Bakit ka tayo ng kaunina? Không khuya bật đi, ai đừng sẽ ngay ta.
Thank you, thank you. Sampai pun ada sampai begini, datang sekali begini. Sampai ada mulai hamba, semai naik bangke anai gatu. Sampai ni mai ada
Yang bisa Sakan takkan mungkin Kisah dan sampai I will sama pulau Bila dan itu Sakan takkan mungkin Mulai berhenti
Mr. Kadi Mistress Guy Ni Fan Mai The room in front, alright. Sponsors lao di mizang rin lang. Ano yung stage ka asay hai. Kakuan kahak kore machiw kwan lu da. Ano yung liking tao tong zi. Ay sorry na Mr. Kadi Mistress Guy Ni Fan Mai The room in front the kangan mga. Hipuson sa Mangrove audience straight when kuway din ang tala ning tong zi. Wala namang kay may kukway na ninyo tong dancing. May narang may ninyo tong siyang kuway kong may azu ni di pa lang may kani. May itong kay mazu. Cheers to train at Lobby Farm na asay hai ano yung concert hai hay kau rin nga lau te yung may kway na kasalo niye PRM sa gitingan mga kaloy na tunto da rin mga naman may kaway na may kway na
This is how the concert ended. I couldn't take photos or video much. This video is a compilation of the videos which I collected from my friends and cousin. So excuse the angle, the quality, but enjoy the concert.
Fans, meet time!
Anyway, thank you PRM, thank you artists, and a big thanks to the audience of Tamanglong. You guys were loud. Thank you. And thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you.